Welcome to Fee Navigator. Today, we're going to review the Assignments tab. Setting up the Assignments tab allows you to assign plans, commissions, and proposals to team members so that information populates appropriately when they analyze a statement. If you haven't watched the plans video, we highly recommend you do so before starting this tutorial. Start by clicking Assignments under the Admin tab. In this demo account, a few assignments are already here. If you're starting fresh, this table will be empty. Click the red plus button next to Assignments. Here, we'll begin choosing our assignments. Start by selecting which user will get the assignment. You can choose Owner, Manager, or Member. We're going to select Owner for the first part of this tutorial. We want to give the owner access to every plan we've created, so we're going to check every single one of our plan boxes. At the bottom, we're going to choose our default plan. I've selected Sample Interchange plus Fixed. Click Save to create this assignment. Now, when our owner uses Fee Navigator's Analyze tool, he will have access to every option for plans, commissions, and proposals. But what happens if you need to restrict access to some of your plans and pricing? I'm going to choose Member, which represents the user. New team members may not have as much industry knowledge and experience, so you may prefer to put some guardrails on their access to plans that suit their current expertise. For our new member, we only want to give them access to Sample Flat Fixed and Sample Interchange plus Fixed. The rest we're going to leave unchecked. Pick the default plan for your member, and then click Save. Whether you have 100 members, 20 managers, or anywhere in between, Fee Navigator provides you with unlimited assignments, ensuring that each member of your team has the tools and information they need to get the job done. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and follow for more tutorials.